XL Bottling Company is third generation. My grandfather caught a bank robber and turned him in for the reward money and used that to buy his first bottling line, and we've been bottling soda since 1936 because of it. We make 18 flavors of Kraft Soda. Every flavor is unique and has a great taste to them, and it covers the entire spectrum of nostalgic sodas. Locally, Ski is the #1 seller, but as we get outside of our core area, all the flavors sell really good. Southern Illinois, in which we're kind of on the edge of, has some great hiking, great camping. The other thing close to us is Carlisle Lake, which is the largest man-made lake in Illinois, and I think we're a stop along the way. If you come and you see where the soda's made, you see the people who make the soda, you get a connection to that brand, and so that's what has happened for us. We are one of the last returnable bottling companies in the state of Illinois, and we're truly a small mom and pop operation that makes soda. Soda is fun, and so our passion is to really produce an excellent product, and we try to come out with something new every year, and it's truly rewarding to come out with something and have somebody open that bottle and then take a sip and say, wow, that is incredible, I love that taste, and it's just, the pride from that is awesome.